Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the Rebar report that we have created recently for the project. We just wanted to get the graphical picture in PDF report. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anything in Tekla, so we have decided to create this report. Obviously, it took a little bit of time because we have to create all these polylines and the dimensions here you can see separate row for each shape, and finally it calculates the total weight and longest length of the bar for transportation, and it also gives you the main bar summary and stirrups summary. Let's go to Tekla and see the output. So here is the model. I'm just taking this, so let me select and create from all. Here is the report. You can see the shape with the dimensions, and when I scroll down to the bottom, this is the total weight and longest length of the rebar, and you can see the main bar summary and stirrups summary. So if you have any question about this report, feel free to get in touch with me, and if you are interested, please drop me a message, and thank you for watching this video.